Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC P0507 indicates that the idle control system in the Honda CRV from the model years 2011 to 2016 is experiencing a higher than expected revolutions per minute (RPM) reading. This can manifest as the engine idling too fast or irregularly, potentially affecting vehicle performance and emissions. The problem often arises from several key components, including the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, which manages various engine functions, the throttle body, which controls airflow into the engine, and several associated hoses and valves that manage vacuum and emissions. The location of these components typically includes the engine bay, with the throttle body situated between the air intake and the intake manifold. Proper diagnosis of this issue involves utilizing a Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, which allows for precise monitoring and troubleshooting of electrical and mechanical failures within the idle system. The P0507 DTC signifies a malfunction within the idle control system, specifically indicating that the engine RPM is higher than expected. The primary components involved include the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, which oversees engine operations and performance, and the throttle body, which regulates the air intake for combustion. If the throttle body is stuck open or malfunctioning, it could lead to excessive air entering the engine, causing the RPM to rise uncontrollably. Other components that might also contribute to this issue include the positive crankcase ventilation, PCV, valve, the evap canister purge valve, and the brake booster assembly along with its hoses. Each of these components is essential for maintaining proper air-fuel ratios and engine performance, and their location is typically in the engine compartment, making them accessible for inspection and repair. There are several potential causes that may lead to the P0507 DTC being triggered. One major cause could be vacuum leaks, which often manifest at critical points such as the PCV valve, PCV hose, or along the throttle body and intake manifold. Such leaks can introduce excess air into the intake system, resulting in higher RPM readings. Another potential issue might be a malfunctioning throttle body. If it fails to close properly, it can continually allow too much air into the engine, thereby elevating the RPM. Furthermore, a defective Powertrain Control Module, PCM, could also be at fault, leading to improper control of the engine's idle speed through defective inputs or outputs. Addressing these causes requires careful inspection and possibly the use of specialized tools to diagnose and repair the faults. The symptoms associated with the P0507 DTC can significantly impact the driving experience. Drivers may notice an unstable engine idle, which could manifest as the engine revving faster than normal when at a stop or in neutral. Higher idle RPM can be particularly bothersome, as it can lead to increased fuel consumption and emissions, adversely affecting vehicle performance and efficiency. This can become evident during tests such as air conditioning operation or changes in gear positions, which can exacerbate the irregular idle. Additionally, poor acceleration or sluggish performance can occur if the engine struggles to maintain the correct air-fuel mixture due to improper idle control. Both potential safety hazards and inconveniences arise from these symptoms, necessitating timely and effective troubleshooting. To begin troubleshooting for DTC P0507, first, turn the ignition switch to the on position, which powers up the vehicle's electronic systems without starting the engine. Using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, clear the Diagnostic Trouble Codes, resetting the system for an accurate diagnosis. After resetting, start the engine and hold the RPM at 3,000 while in either the park or neutral position. This step is crucial as it stabilizes the engine speed under load conditions until the radiator fan activates, providing insight into how the vehicle operates under controlled circumstances. After maintaining this condition for at least 20 seconds, check the OBD status for the DTC using the HDS to confirm if the issue persists. If the HDS indicates a failed status, further investigation will be required. Otherwise, you may need to explore other operating conditions. For the second step in troubleshooting the P0507 DTC, begin by turning the ignition switch to the lock position, securing the vehicle's electrical systems. The following step involves meticulous checks for vacuum leaks throughout the system. Focus your inspection on critical components, such as the PCV valve, its associated hose, the evap canister purge valve, and the throttle body, as well as the intake manifold and brake booster connections. These components are prime suspects for creating undesirable vacuum imbalances that directly affect idle speed. If a leak is detected in any of these components, they should either be repaired or replaced to restore proper function. Re-evaluation should be conducted under different conditions, including turning on the headlights or air conditioning, which can help simulate the parameters in which the DTC is triggered. After addressing any identified issues, the next critical phase involves repair verification to confirm that the P0507 DTC has been resolved. Start by turning the ignition switch to the on position, which prepares the vehicle for diagnostics. Next, reset the powertrain control module (PCM) using the HDS tool. This step is essential to ensure that all adaptive learning data and learned parameters are cleared, allowing the system to start fresh. The idle learn procedure should then be executed, which instructs the PCM on how to manage the engine idle based on the new conditions. Following this, start the engine and hold it at 3,000 RPM again until you observe the radiator fan activate, allowing it to idle for at least 20 seconds. Monitor the OBD status using the HDS to determine whether the DTC indicates passed, reflecting a successful repair, or whether further attention is needed. As we reach the final stage of repairing the DTC P0507, conducting a comprehensive status check is crucial to affirm that all issues have been fully addressed. Utilizing the Honda Diagnostic System HDS again, confirm that the diagnostic results display a passed status for the now corrected idle control system. If the DTC indicates passed, repair procedures are complete and the vehicle can be returned to normal operation. However, if the HDS still shows any other pending or confirmed DTCs, additional troubleshooting steps that relate to those specific codes must be undertaken to ensure that no underlying issues remain unresolved. Successful repair verification is vital for ensuring vehicle reliability and performance, particularly when it pertains to maintaining appropriate idle conditions and emissions compliance. To prevent recurrences of the P0507 DTC and ensure long-term vehicle reliability, implementing a routine preventive maintenance strategy is essential. Regular inspections of hoses and vacuum lines should be conducted, as these components can deteriorate over time and lead to leaks that may trigger idle issues. Additionally, proactively replacing any components known to be prone to failure, such as the throttle body and PCV valves, can greatly enhance system integrity. Maintaining an optimal air-fuel mixture is vital for efficient engine performance. Therefore, regular checks of the air intake system, including filter changes, should be part of the service schedule. By emphasizing these preventive measures, vehicle owners can enhance performance, fuel economy, and overall driving experience while minimizing costly repairs down the line. In conclusion, understanding DTC P0507 is crucial for sustaining the performance of a Honda CRV from 2011 to 2016. Recognizing that this code reflects an idle control system malfunction helps technicians pinpoint causes, which may include vacuum leaks or component failures. As we have outlined, symptoms can manifest in unstable idling and high RPMs, directly influencing the driving experience. The importance of thorough troubleshooting cannot be understated, as step-by-step diagnostics using tools like the HDS allows for accurate identification and rectification of issues. Lastly, preventive maintenance is key to avoiding future troubles with idle control systems, making it essential for vehicle longevity and efficiency. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.